Hello everyone, welcome back to our second session. And for our second session, we are going to study Blueprint 2, Unit 3, Your University, pages 38 and 39. We are also going to review our previous lesson about vocabulary words. And for our new lesson, everyone, is still the same. Lesson 2, we will just continue to Part C, Grammar, and Part D, Grammar Practice. So everyone, please prepare your textbook Blueprint 2 and let's start. So before we move forward to our new lesson, everyone, here's a quick review about vocabulary, some majors. The term major, when used in the context of education, refers to a university or college student's main field of specialization during his studies. Major fall under the category of degree. For example, bachelor's degree in arts with a double major in psychology and women's studies. So this is the term major. So for our first vocabulary major is software engineering. Software engineering is study of the specific or study of the scientific and mathematically basis of computer software. So that is software engineering. Next is physical education. Physical education is a course taught in school that focuses on developing physical fitness. Effective PE classes helps kids develop skills and confidence, maintain physical fitness, learn about personal health and wellness, and demonstrate positive social skills. So that is physical education. Next is number 3, mathematics. The study of such topics as quantity, the number of theory, structure or algebra, space or geometry, and change the mathematical analysis. It has no general accepted definition. So mathematics, or we can also say math. So that is mathematics. Next, number 4 is cosmetology. A cosmetology is the study and application of beauty treatments. Yes, you heard me right. Cosmetology including hair, styling, skincare, cosmetics, manicures, pedicures, and permanent or non-permanent hair removal. So everything that related to our skin, beauty treatment, hair, and cosmetics, they study this one already. Also, they study this one also, which is called as cosmetology. So don't just underestimate of studying cosmetology. Next, our number 5 major is business administration. A business administration includes the performance of management of business operation and decision making, as well as efficient organization of people and other resources to direct activities towards common goals and objectives. That is business administration. Next, number 6, we have fine arts. A fine arts is art developed primarily for aesthetics or beauty, distinguishing it from decorative art or applied art, which also has to serve some practical function such as pottery or most metalwork. So fine arts, everyone, there are a lot of things you have to learn for this major. So if you want to know or want to learn more about fine arts, you can free to research from our Google. So that is fine arts. Next, we have also number 7, nursing. Nursing includes the promotion of health, prevention of illness, and the care of ill, disabled, and dying people. So that is nursing. Nursing is not only this part of helping or prevention of our health, but they do a lot of things, especially in our health. So that is our meaning of nursing. And the last major we have here is elementary education. An elementary education is a program that prepares individuals to teach students in the elementary grades. You know elementary, right? We talked about this one last time. Elementary is primary. Correct. Which may include kindergarten through grade 8, depending on the school system or state regulation. So that is our 8 different majors from our previous lesson, vocabulary words. Now moving forward to our new lesson, everyone, grammar, how many and how much. Now teacher will just give you summarize of this lesson. Based on our book, everyone, open your book. We are going to talk about countable and uncountable nouns. So what is countable nouns? Nouns can be countable or uncountable. Countable nouns can be counted. Example, an apple, 2 apples, 3 apples, or so on and so forth. However, uncountable nouns cannot be counted, like air, rice, water, and so on and so forth. When you learn a new noun, you should check if it's countable or uncountable, and note how it is used in sentence. So everyone, here are the chart for countable and uncountable nouns. So for countable, determiners means a lot of, many, several, few, or a few. Examples, classes, questions, and students. Uncountable determiners, a lot of, not much, little, or a little. Examples, space, education, and advice. In our brief note, the determiners any and some can be used with uncountable nouns or with plural countable nouns. Now these are also, so that is our first countable and uncountable nouns. So that is our first grammar practice. So that is our countable and uncountable nouns. Now here's another grammar that we are going to talk about is how many and how much. How many and how much use how many when asking about something countable. Use how much when asking about something uncountable. So don't confuse about these two questions, okay? Now, how many, these are the examples. How many books did you buy? How many classes are you taking? How many bottles of milk do you need? So that is how many, how to ask a question. However, in how much, these are the examples. How much money do you have? How much homework do you get? Or how much juice did you drink? So that is how many and how much. So how much is asking something uncountable. In our brief note, with uncountable nouns, much is usually only used in questions and negatives. A lot of is more common in affirmative statements. Do you have much time? I don't have much money. So as you can see, everyone, we have the example in here, a questions and a negative. Using how much, using how much or much. So that is our grammar for today. Now let's move on to our grammar practice. Part D. Circle the correct answers. Number 1. I don't have money. I don't have many pencils. Number 2. I didn't get much rest this weekend. Next, number 3. Please give me a few bottles of juice. Number 4. How much salt did you put in the soup? Number 5. There's a lot of space in the living room. Next, number 6. My friend doesn't have much free time. Number 7. Several people came to the theater. Number 8. I don't want many children to eat a lot of ice cream. So these are our first part in grammar practice, letter D. Next, from 9 to 11, write brief answers to the following questions. Then discuss your answers with your partner. So with this one, everyone, from number 9 up to number 11, all you have to do is answer these questions. 3 questions that we have left. Then share your answers to your study group. Make sure that you share your answers, everyone, so that everyone in the study group in your online class can relate to our lesson also. So that's it, everyone, our new lesson about grammar, countable and countable nouns, and how to use how many and how much in a sentence. So that's the end of our second session, everyone. I hope that you learned from this session. I'll see you again next time, everyone. Goodbye.
Merry Christmas!